I think they'll obliterate Swift. I used this. I think they'll, yeah, could be a blockbuster video easy style event when Netflix came out. It could. I'm not saying it will, but it could. And you're right. It's all down to liquidity. It's not quite there yet. Another popular question is, well, why isn't it already high? We're still waiting for legal clarity, which comes later this year, November, probably with the Clarity Act, where XRP will be classified as a commodity, is my prediction. And then institutions know how they can legally engage with it. And there has been no legal clarity to engage with this thing yet. Plenty of testing. We've seen moments, but most of it's still siloed off on this. Yeah, we won't go into that private public, probably a bit too much for this chat, but yes. So the way, firstly, why all these different protocols, I'll answer that. Every one of them serves their own little unique purpose. So XTC is more trade finance and logistics, shipping, freights, all that sort of stuff. They've cherry-picked that little segment of the market to address, and they've got their relationships very much centered around that, which is different to dealing with the big banks for cross-border payments, tokenization, all that sort of stuff. So XTC will do that. XLM is very much focused on the consumer-centric side of things. So, our everyday payments, everyday sending money overseas to peer-to-peer, not bank-to-bank institutional. So they're kind of below. XRP and Ripple are going for the big money. XLM's going for the consumer side. It's still big money, but much smaller than the institutional. Solana is just a useless meme coin building protocol. And Bitcoin is... I won't crap on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin... One thing people need to understand with Bitcoin is its relevance, whilst heavily manipulated by Tether and propped up in Ponzi scheme fashion, its underlying value really is the fact that Satoshi, whoever it is, created a system that demands a lot of energy to produce and mine new coins. So in the world today, the price of everything is dictated by energy. Every single layer, they put that in their margins, and that's what dictates price. So the relevancy of Bitcoin, not just as a store of value, which is all it ever will be, and it's the reason it's